Okay. So, like, I was walking down the street, right? Just, like, walking. And then this, like, little white kid shows up. And she was all like, let me touch your hair. And I was like, back up off. And then she was just looking at me. And then I was like, dude, I went to the mall. And I was like, let's go shopping. And then this tried to touch my hair. And I was like, don't touch that. It cost me $300. And they're like, I thought you spent that money on shoes. And I was like, no, dude. I spent that money on shoes yesterday. And they're like, oh, well, how much did you spend on clothes? And I was like, dude, I spend like $500 on clothes every day. And they're like, so you go to the mall like every day? And I was like, duh, who else is going to do my hair? And they're like, you're hair? I thought you were white. And I was like, just because I'm from America does not mean I'm white. And they're like, whatever, does that mean that you're like not white? And I was like, I'm like Italian, and I'm so like olive colored. And they try to touch my hair, and I was like, don't touch my hair, you're not my hairdresser. Only Felipe can touch my hair like that. And then I looked at a piece of chocolate, and I thought I was hungry. And then I was like, dude, that makes me feel fat, just even like looking at that piece of chocolate, and I want to go like throw up just because I look at that piece of chocolate. And so I'm walking down the street with my little self, and I'm like, dude, look at that little white kid. And she's like, I'm not white, just from America. And then she's like, can I touch your hair? And I was like, no, don't touch my hair. And then like I was like, hey, you want to meet my friend Nicole? And she's like, look at her hair. I don't want my hair looking like that.
Can I touch your hair though?
Don't touch my hair! She messed up my hair. I just told you all the story about my hair. It cost me $300 and you messed it up. I had to call Felipe. Felipe, we have a thirst issue. She messed up.